Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep going with the euro currency. So yesterday's session hasn't brought any surprises. Market was moving in a row with our expectations, with the plan that we have discussed. Yes, it was some difficulties and tricky moments concerning position taking, and in this case that we have discussed this week, starting from the bottom right here on the grabber that has been formed, if you remember, it was not a simple case. So because overall price action was a bit choppy, there was no bright and clear setups. So yes, it is working. Market mostly has reached the minimum target, but if you have missed this trade, don't worry about this. This is just a step in our journey, long-term journey of the trading process. You will miss this one, you will get another one very soon. So just to maybe coming somehow, this really was not very simple situation, not very simple trading setup to deal with. So if instead you have got the position and you're either at the lows with the grabber or yesterday, so currently you could move stops to the break-even, see what will happen, because we are coming to the payrolls report. Currently I do not see any actually reasons to make some real forecasts or something, and not many things that we could do right now, just because all preparation and entry opportunities already have passed. Now market stands very close to the target, and here if you intend to trade today, you probably will trade particular release of the non-farm payrolls report. So this will be the bet on results. Yesterday, if you have tracked the numbers that we've got a lot of information. JOLTS day before, ADP, manufacturing, employment and other stuff. So all these numbers were lower than expected. Currently, based on the background of this candle with the employment statistics, I suggest that hardly they will be brave enough to paint some good numbers once again if they doesn't match to reality. More probable that we will get fewer report, but it doesn't mean that it can't be positive, so we will see. But when the JOLTS, ADP, ISM and other numbers shows not very good releases, well, payrolls also might be and supposedly should be not very good. Besides, they have to somehow converge the wrong numbers with the fair numbers, and probably this might be additional revision of the recent numbers once again. So it will be a really tricky moment. Personally, I do not want to take part in this mess. I prefer to see what will happen, and only after that to make some decisions maybe on the next week. Currently on the 4 time frame chart, you could see that market almost has completed the target. So here's some consolidation is forming. Retracement that we have discussed recently indeed has happened. So we said keep an eye on, maybe market will reach the XOP first on the hourly chart that shows the pullback. If we take a look carefully, XOP was right here. What is our initial A, B, C bottom, and retracement indeed has happened, and it was relatively significant. So 618 level, major 30% has been reached, but unfortunately it was very fast. So I'm not sure that you will able to catch it, but as I said, don't worry, this is really not a big problem, because as explained, dealing with all this stuff, starting with these lows and catching retracement here, it's not very simple stuff. So, but if you really has done work well, that's great. So currently, guys, it is a bit late for taking the new position because market stands near target, and with the payrolls ahead, personally I do not want to do something. If you have some positions, you could think about them. So whether you would like to wait until the payrolls trying to ride on volatility, who knows what will happen. Really poor payrolls could let market to break this level up and move above the target that we have specified. The good payrolls could trigger the opposite action. So this is some 50-50, and this will be some gambling. And this choice is up to you. If you're not ready, well, you could close the bulk of your position and take the rest, some minor part on possible payrolls report with a break-even stop. It's also possible. That's in fact all that I could say currently on euro currency. Speaking about the cable, here we have approximately the same story. So if we take a look at the hourly chart, that's our hand shoulders that we discussed recently. I said that British pound has even better shape of the pattern, but unfortunately it also stands on the target. So you could see that here OP almost has reached, well, this minor gap stands right here. The same on the euro currency. This is OP with this ABCD pattern that agrees with the 1134 resistance. The way how market could reach it only on the shaking of the boat before payrolls report. If speculants will start shaking the boat, some spikes will appear. So as usual, something of this kind. It might be some occasional completion of this target, or later if payrolls will be really poor. So that in towards what we have. Let's keep watching and let's start preparation for next week.